What is up guys, welcome to another video and you're watching CB Teching Live here. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the upcoming iPhone lineup from Apple in 2018. This video is going to be really special because in this video I'm going to share with you some of the clips of officially leaked iPhone X Plus and the iPhone X Lite. So without wasting any further time, let's get this video started. So the first news which we are going to cover is this, that iPhone dual SIM references are discovered in the latest iOS 12 beta. So we have been listening these rumors from ages now, but finally this report comes out in which it is told that these references are leaked in the iOS 12, which I am going to share with you guys right now. Rumors of the dual SIM iPhone first emerged earlier this year, and now Apple's own iOS 12 is backing up the reports. A new iPhone X Plus is rumored to include a 6.5-inch OLED display and a dual SIM support in certain regions, especially in China. 9to5Mac reports that iOS 12 Developers Beta 5 released yesterday includes reference to the dual SIM support. The operating system even mentions a second physical SIM tray, meaning an iPhone with dual SIM support might not be restricted to a single SIM tray and eSIM support. So the next news is that according to the new report from Taiwan site Economic Daily News, a Foxconn source has suggested that the dual SIM feature will be available in the 6.1-inch low-cost LCD that will be a unique model to only China, meaning the rest of the world will get the single SIM option, but only the Chinese will be able to get the dual SIM option in the iPhones in 2018. Production on the new iPhones slated for a September debut is well underway, with Foxconn employees suggesting Apple is producing 4 unique models numbered 801, 802, 803 and 804 for the upcoming iPhones, hinting at the extra SIM model. The site suggests that 801 and 802 correspond to the 5.8 and the 6.5 inches iPhone, while the latter two numbers are separate 6.1 inch LCD models. So it is going to be a pretty intelligent technique by Apple to launch the dual SIM option in China, because in China 3 to 4 billion people uses more than one number or more than one SIM, you can actually say. So Apple will be able to attack those consumers and will be able to gain more market share in China, and obviously that will affect internationally the reputation of Apple too. So the video which you guys are watching right now is the official video for the 6.5-inch dummy models iPhone and the 6.1-inch dummy model iPhone. So in this video it clearly shows and gives a representation that how these models are going to look in the real life. So this was it from today's video guys. In this video we mainly talked about the dual SIM options which are going to be available in the upcoming 2018 iPhone lineup, and furthermore we also talked about the video in which the dummy models for the iPhones 2018 were leaked. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for future quality tech videos. Peace out.